At first, nothing changes. You still wake up tired. Your phone still buzzes with bills. Your bank balance still looks normal. But somewhere in the background, something quiet has started. $1,000 a month. Not from your job, not from overtime, not from begging your boss for a raise. Just there. And that's when life starts to feel different. Not better, different. Because 1K in passive income doesn't make you rich. It does something more dangerous. It breaks a rule you didn't know you were living under. Right now, this matters more than people realize. Wages are sticky, prices aren't, and the gap between effort and reward keeps stretching. Most people are trapped in a simple loop. Time goes in, money comes out. Miss a week, and the system reminds you who's in charge. Passive income doesn't escape the system, it bends it. Here's how it actually works, without the hype. That first $1,000 usually comes from something boring. A small portfolio, a rental room, digital products nobody brags about, dividend checks that look embarrassing on YouTube. But the source doesn't matter. What matters is timing. That money shows up whether you're sick, tired, or doing nothing at all. And for the first time, money arrives without asking permission from your calendar. Do the math. $1,000 a month is $33 a day. That doesn't replace a salary, it replaces pressure. It covers groceries, or utilities, or your car payment, which means part of your life just became optional. This is where the uncomfortable part starts. Because once one expense is covered automatically, your job stops feeling like survival. It starts feeling like a choice. And choices change behavior. You stop tolerating small humiliations. You stop panicking at every headline. You stop making decisions purely out of fear. Ironically, this is also where most people mess it up. Online, 1K passive income is sold like a finish line. It's not. It's a wedge. The reality is boring and slightly disappointing. That income won't scale your lifestyle overnight. It won't make you fearless, and it definitely won't make you free. What it does is expose something awkward. If 1K a month changes how you think, what does that say about how fragile the system was to begin with? Zoom out. Most economies run on dependency. Jobs depend on attendance. Rent depends on rent day. Debt depends on consistency. Passive income introduces inconsistency, and systems hate that. People with even small independent income streams take more risks. They quit bad jobs sooner. They negotiate harder. They wait instead of rushing. That's powerful and also risky. Because once you feel that shift, it's hard to go back. You notice inflation differently. You see how slow raises really are. You realize how many normal financial rules only apply when you have no backup. And here's the quiet irony. The goal was never the money. It was the psychological distance it creates from panic. So the real question isn't whether $1,000 passive income will change your life. It's this. If a small amount can change how safe you feel, what does that say about the world we're building our lives inside? And what happens when more people stop needing permission to breathe?